While Ford, Dodge, Nissan, and GM suffered the ebbs and flows of mid-sized truck sales throughout the 90s and 2000s, Toyota's Tacoma has soldiered on with a loyal fan base for decades. With the 2016 model year overhaul, the Tacoma is more refined and capable than ever, while still offering the same reliability that keeps its used vehicle values at a premium. The GMC Canyon, Chevrolet Colorado, and upcoming Ford Ranger wish to challenge the 2018 Toyota Tacoma's market leadership, but it will take the perfect blend of styling and grit for any rig to unseat the Tacoma.
It's an exciting day for Toyota, and I'm really happy to accept this AutoWeb Buyer's Choice Award for the best small truck. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to Toyota and their 2016 Tacoma for winning the 2018 AutoWeb Buyer's Choice Award for Best Small Truck.